Okay, folks, what we are looking at is windy.com, and right here is Lake Geneva. We got Switzerland and France, Italy. Yeah, most of us should know what's right over in this area right here. Okay. Oh, look, Bern, Switzerland. What does that rhyme with? Well, let me know if you guys think that it's obvious when they turned it on. Watch the clouds right here. Watch this. They literally stop and they change direction. You see that? Sorry, my diggum thing got in the way. But did you see that? Here, let's hit that again. Alright, watch it. You can see up in this area, you can see it turn on like woof. Look at the clouds right there, like wow. Clouds don't do that. Especially in one little concentrated area. That's why the Schumann is just going off the chest. Look at that. It just completely changed in that area. They're messing with it, folks. It makes a lot of sense. Oh, that's so annoying. Grrr. So yeah, that would be why, folks. I mean, you can see the gravity waves in the clouds too. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see the gravity waves in it? I mean, watch it again. If you need to rewind it and watch it again. But ooh, gosh dang, get off those things. Look at the gravity waves. Look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that? Folks, holy cow. Let me go in on this a little bit tighter. See if we can see that again a little bit closer up. Watch the gravity waves. Oh, look at whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it affected all the way out here. That was insane. Look, it's affecting it over here too. Wow, that's crazy. That was pretty cool, actually, to watch. Look at the clouds just move. Oh, folks, if you don't know the stuff's going on, I don't know what to tell you. Like, I really don't. Because, see, a small part of it goes here, but the majority of it's right over here like this. So you got one part that comes over like this in the big area, and then you got a small little circle right over here. But for the most part, it's all right over here. Right where we're seeing all that movement. Yeah. Boom, Basil. How you doing? Once again, here's the electromagnetic field. Oh, come on. And here's the Schumann. You can see all of this going off. Yes, sir. Now, just to be clear, okay, here's Italy. Okay, come over here. Here's Italy. Okay, San Marco. So, kind of close, and we're definitely gonna feel it. I mean, this is Italy. Like I said, this is Italy. Right here it is. Whammo. Now, guess where the station is? Right here. It's like right here. Hang on. Let's pop back over to it and let's double check. Yep, right here in this little crook, right here in this little corner right here. So, like right over in here. And right here is where it's popping off. Yeah. When you guys see the Italian model going off like this and acting a flippin' fool and getting all wonky and crazy, you can just put it in the bank. Like, bank it. It's money that this bugger is freaking popping off. Now, in case anybody isn't aware, what happens when they continuously do this? Every time they fire it up, basically what happens is, and they do a collision, a particle, we're talking about, electron and proton particular accelerations and collisions. When they do that, they actually destroy the universe every single time. From that point forward, that universe no longer exists because they destroyed protons and neutrons. Okay, they collided and bam, basically to see about black holes or how the universe started, if you will, like the Big Bang, if you will. And every time they do that, we jump universes. It destroys the universe from that point forward, and we actually shift into an alternate universe. And what they're trying to do is have it to where they want Satan to win, basically. I mean, they want to make it manifest where it's just all evil because these people are evil. And really think about this. I'm sure a lot of you know about the Mandela effect, things that you remember as a kid that if you try to look it up, it's not true anymore. And it's like, wait a minute, what? Like the Monopoly guy with that glass eye. Apparently, he never did. Fruit of the Loom underwear. How it used to have that basket. Well, the basket apparently never existed. Lucy, you got some splaining to do. Apparently, that's not even on there. I haven't seen, but I've heard that one from somebody. But just a lot of different things, even things that I remember as a kid, like this is not, it's not the reality. I'm like, wait a minute here, no, like, especially the Mandela effect. I mean, he died twice. I remember him dying, and then all of a sudden, a few years later, I'm like, wait a minute here, what's going on? Well, every time they kick this on, we're having little minute and minor changes, because there's infinite universes in infinite dimensions that all run parallel. So sometimes there's minute and little changes, but guess what? Sometimes it's a big change. So we have to try and keep that in mind when things just seem to be going like, what's going on here? It's just crazy. Like, this shouldn't be. You're right. It shouldn't be. And I'm hoping that the good guys have gotten control of it by now, and they're trying to put us into a better reality of love. Because that's what this world needs. We need to love and realize what's going on and just love people anyways and try to love everyone through it. So I haven't seen anything new on my little back channel in the Soho movie theater. They still don't have it on. I have to go in a different way. So when I happen to see anything else, I almost can't get enough of watching this. It's hilarious. I mean, look at that. But I will let you guys know. You guys stay safe.